Sure. Hello. So, you guys can hear me, right? Yeah. So, sup, boys, whoever may ever watch this or not. What I'm looking for right now are first a sweep of liquidities. Basically, I'm looking for a BSL here, an SSL on 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, and 6 minute for it to get sweeped out first, and then look for a touch of for price to touch an untested fair value gap, first fair value gap, and that's basically my plan. So yeah, whether we get this or not, I don't really know. That's just what I'm looking for right now. I don't like how it's so like laggy right now. It's just ridiculously laggy. So you got MNQ taking out this 4 minute sell side liquidity, but ES hasn't, which to me, from what I've been learning on YouTube, is it's not an optimal trading landscape because moves therefore won't last very long. It's not my words, it's somebody else's words. And they said that it's not what you want to trade in. So, like, who am I to fucking. So, yeah. Honestly, some of this is like. These guys right here might be interesting to potentially get along in. I'm in on long right here. Because we swept liquidity, what was it, 432.5. 432.5. What do I want to target? This seems ambitious as hell, but I'm gonna try to target that. London High. And all I'm waiting for right now is first a pointer being formed on 3 minute plus. So 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, 6 minute. And then I'll enter even more. I just entered more here on these untested FFAGs. 28.9. I'm in on an eval right now, and potentially I could get stopped out right here. Which, I don't really care. God, don't humble me, please. Amen. Yeah, I might have just lost this combine. I have a feeling that price is gonna hit ES's New York PM low, and then it might start to reverse after. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm cooked right here. Ugh. Yeah, I just freaking lost the account. I just resetted the account. I'm pretty fucking annoyed. It is pretty damn annoying, I'll be honest. It's just nonstop. Feels like I've blown 3 combines now. I'm on my fourth combine. Does not feel good at all. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe looking back, I should have waited for the 5 minute liquidity sweep. I honestly don't know. Now this could be interesting over here. I might enter off this. I'm in. If we start to do some, yeah, I might reverse my bias right here. I might reverse the entire position. We'll see though. If this becomes a bearish pointer, I'm gonna close the trade and walk because of pointer rule of three, which sucks a lot. Like, don't get me wrong. I don't like it. I'm just losing fucking, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna reverse the position here. This is cooked already. This candle close might be interesting. Only because this might be a pointer rule of three here. I'll be honest, I feel so dead inside right now. Ah, man. What the hell? Like, what the fucking hell? amount. Wow. Okay, I'm in a dilemma right now. Um, because I am 255 or roughly US dollars away from hitting the freaking daily limit on this combine. I'm honestly like I'm yeah. What's really the point? I okay. Yeah, like yeah, I'm really only like 200 and freaking 54 dollars and 60 cents away from the max uh daily profit, because if I go over, that means I'm just gonna screw myself over because I've never really hit the max freaking so far I haven't hit the max daily profit target, but to my knowledge, which is like not a lot, to my knowledge, it's just the the profit target increases after you reach the 1,500 US dollars of profit daily profit target. And so I'm just like going to screw myself over if I try to go and like continue trading and potentially make more. I don't know, but to me it doesn't make sense, honestly. So I might just stop trading, literally, because what's the point for like this situation, at least? Like I don't, I don't even really know what I entered on. I know that there's freaking pointers right here or whatever. 45-point move. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Yeah, honestly, like I might just stop trading right here. I may have entered on this 5 minute retest or whatever. I entered apparently at 4:33. Just apparently right there, 4:33. Apparently, I entered like right here or something. So yeah. Um, Must have been on this freaking pointer. Why I entered? It was logically the logical side would be this pointer right here that just got rejected off of this untested. Well, is that a lie? Was this tested on this 4 minute untested FFEG? Looks like the 5 minute though did get tested, but yeah, and then a pointer formed. And mind you, I entered at pretty much 3 minutes and 30 seconds after this candle close right here, which like my entry was pretty ass. I think it was like somewhere down here. Um, and then I just targeted either the Asia low for MNQ or the I'll share this screen right here. Share this tab. You can see that New York AM low on this on the 5 minute on MES right here. But here's the weird thing: if you go back to the or this chart, it's the exact same chart, but for some reason, take a look at the. There's no age. There's no what do you call it? There's no New York AM low right here. It doesn't list it. It only lists it as a 5 minute sell side liquidity. I don't really know what's going on right there, but yeah, apparently that's because you can see like take a look at the exact price. The exact price is 831.25. Yeah. If we go to here, it is 831.25. That's like I was kind of tripping off that, to be honest with you, whoever is listening, whoever may listen or may not, I don't really know. But yeah, I'm honestly kind of shocked because I blew an account first, and then this happened. Mm, this is dumping, bro. Holy. Wow. You're giving them back here. All right. Yeah, I'm like, okay, what do I do now? Uh, huh. Yeah, I'm kind of like speechless a little bit. Knowing me, I'm just gonna stop trading. Yeah, did I explain everything? At least the logical side was that. The emotional side was I just took a, I just lost a combine, which was my third combine. I lost that because the max drawdown daily limit. I reached that on trying to freaking long. I can't remember exactly where, to be honest. But I tried to long off of just a 3 minute freaking on this 3 minute sell. Okay, I think this is logic. I tried a long right here, and there might have been like something like an untested FFVG. Yeah, untested FFVG. If you go to the 5 minute, it should show everything. But yeah, this looks. So I tried a long right here, just based off of an untested, and I clearly, did not work out because a few bars later, I think I got liquidated right there or something. Or maybe this is it. This one, I don't really know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got liquidated like around right here. So yeah, hmm. So the emotional side was I got liquidated right there, and then I was kind of in a like, okay, what do I do now? Like I'm kind of like angry at myself for losing that, so I had to transfer some funds to an exchange to then get that exchange converted into my currency, which is Canadian, and then deposit that Canadian dollar amount to be roughly the cost of resetting a new top step 50K account. So I did that, and then I saw apparently it must have been this 5 minute, or it might have been 6 minute. I don't really know. Might have been the 6 minute, to be honest. Basically, it was just either the 5 minute or 6 minute pointer, and I was like, you know what, frick it, let's just short this. And yeah, I'm kind of speechless right now because I was expecting to, even though I blew an account and technically I didn't really. It did not really. What do you call it? I don't know. I think I already said this. I didn't expect to get there so freaking to on this new account get to pretty much the max daily freaking profit target, like just like that. So I'm like kind of speechless right now. Yeah, this was a roller coaster for sure. I'm probably just gonna end the stream because I honestly can't trade more. Like I could to potentially get an extra like $254 to barely be under the max profit target daily limit or whatever by like maybe like like 50 cents. To me that just seems like too much of a freaking risk because I could, if I go over that $1,500 profit target daily limit, I'm the 53K might extend up to like freaking I don't really know, but I do know that it increases because I went over. If I start to trade and I get profitable again, um, that's really where I'm at right now because I'm at. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Um, yeah, I honestly can't really trade right now because like I don't benefit from it right now using the amount of contracts I use because I use a good amount of contracts and yeah. It's honestly where I'm at right now. Seems to be so much liquidity right there. Yeah. Bro. Holy shit, this happens then. Look at the amount of liquidity right there is insane. Yo. 5 minute sell side liquidity, New York PM low on whatever day this is. Another 5 minutes sell side liquidity. We got the London low on whatever this day is, and another New York PM low on whatever day. Like this seems like a lot of liquidity, broskies. Okay. Yeah. The consistency target is basically that. Uh Also, there could have been a potential, yeah, for whoever may have taken this. If you entered on right there on this 4 minute first of value gap, which I think it might have been untested. Let's just see. It does look like it was untested. So this untested 4 minute fair value gap, if you entered on that props, this could have been in a very good trade. And if it forms a pointer off of that as well, fair dues. A potential 20-point move just off of that, which is like, oh. I don't know, I'm just trying to help whoever might learn or watch this. Yeah, if this candle close body closes below this exact uh, horizontal right here, this could be a trade definitely. Uh, that's it isn't. Apparently, this is not a pointer, so just be cautious. Yeah, I'm just gonna end this stream right here. Didn't expect to trade like this. Honestly, like I really can't do much right here because I don't want to go over the um, consistency target. So yeah, I think that's where I'm at right now, boys. Yeah. Peace out. didn't really expect for the day to go like this, to be completely honest. Um, Granted, though, practically speaking, I am down, like as of now, like just as of today, down like 80 trading wise, down like 55 US dollars, including tax and whatnot. Um, yeah, that's basically it. Didn't really expect. Because I don't know, if you were in my position, what's the point of trying to trade a little bit more? Anyways, peace out, boys. Take care. Um, yeah.